Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. Okay, so today I will be doing laundry. This is pretty much all what I have to wash. So for me, I like to separate my clothes, okay? The darks, the lights, and this could go with the darks. And then the whites. Peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we are in Walmart, okay? Walmart is a place I do not really care for, okay? It's always got the doggone crowded, and I am pretty much here to just get some laundry detergent and be out, okay? To me, like, when you're doing shopping, like, in crowded places, you have to have a plan, right? Like, you need this, you need that, and that's it. Don't get sidetracked. Okay, so this is the detergent that we are going with. Okay, so I am looking for some bleach alternative. I don't know if they would have the bleach alternative here, but let's see. Nope, they don't have it. So we'll figure something out once I get to the laundromat. I guess I could go to this.
We don't have no appetite. So only number one.
Thank you. All right, family, so let's go. The only time I really care for doing laundry, and I had said this like in previous videos, is if I have new laundry detergent. That's the only time. So, peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so right now I had to come to Stop and Shop because Walmart don't have the alternative bleach. So we are going to go with this one. So this is the alternative bleach. Is 7th generation. I like this. It's really, really good. Family, okay, so right now I am at this laundromat. This laundromat is closer to my house, but I don't really care for because the machines is like little, okay? So this machine right here is $5.50 and it's like real tiny, okay, as opposed to the larger machines like this are $8, and then they got machines that's bigger, which is $12. Okay, so the key when I'm doing the laundry, honey, the detergent, the laundry is what I do, like if I'm coming to a public laundromat, which is majority of the time, all the time, right? So I pour the laundry detergent inside the wash, and then I also pour it at the top of it. So it goes like this. So pouring it inside here, and then pouring it inside here. Ooh. Because the key is you want it to be real damn soapy. Okay, honey, if it ain't soapy, it's a nopey. So when the clothes are coming out of the washer, what I tend to do, honey, I always make sure I smell them. okay, to make sure they smelling right, okay? Call me weird, honey, call me whatever you want, all right? So right now I'm about to put them in the dryer.
Reception pick six, 2 for 9 to start, but got going on that last drive. Here's the out-of-town score. Said they're looking for a little help from the Giants. Hey, next weekend. Then 7-10 last year and 7-8-1 now. They were eliminated last week after it looked like they were surely going to be.
Peace family. So while I was at the laundromat, my phone pretty much died, and I came to Stop and Shop to do more food shopping. So pretty much what I'm saying here is, while I was at the laundromat, it was tons of commercials coming on about food, and even they had the Food Network and channel on, and so I was watching it. All the meals that was being prepped, and you know, all the commercials with the food. Honey, it's not good to watch commercials at nighttime, okay? Because if you do, honey, it will make you want to eat, okay? So right here I'm just doing some food shopping, although I did it earlier today, but just getting a few more items. Okay, who remember this? Okay, my favorite cereal as a kid, well, we used to eat some Cheerios, but when it was really good, okay, Frosted Flakes. I told you guys when I was in grammar school, elementary school, and I went to a Catholic school, so we would eat Frosted Flakes. That's where we would have like the name brand stuff mainly, okay. So Trix. Okay, honey, let me hurry up because I don't need hardly any of this stuff. Don't ever come food shopping if you hungry. I remember when I was working at this hardware store, one of the guys that I used to be friends with, he used to say, marketing, like, never come somewhere like if you hungry, like go to a supermarket like while you hungry, because you are going to spend a whole lot because you hungry. Okay. Oh gosh, did you guys ever hear these cream cakes? Oh, and look at this, gluten-free, dairy-free. Oh, honey, let me hurry up and get out of here. Okay. So earlier I had went to the mall, right? And I went to Hoops. Well, Whoops. Okay, so Whoops, they specialize in macarons. In fact, this is the only thing that they sell, right? And one macaron was $3.75 or something like that. I know it was $3 and some change, but here you could come to Stop and Shop, honey, and get these macarons. Now I don't know if they're gonna taste as good, but they do have them for $7.29. Okay, so I wanted to make some tacos the other day, but we didn't have no more cheese, so I'm gonna get these. They are 2 for $4. And so I told you guys I barely do juice in my house, so we are going to just get one of these, the peachy pineapple or the let's do the strawberry kiwi. Peace family. Okay, so for the oil, I normally use either grapeseed oil or avocado oil. Honey, as a kid, these things, they were so good. The corn nuts, okay? Me and my sister, we used to eat these, the ranch ones. Ooh, wee, so good. Family, so they have these cookies that looks like really good, but some of them damn opened. And I went through all of these. So this is the Almond Joy inspired. Okay, and they got like big big nuts. Like almonds and stuff in here. But I don't know, this is like a little suspect. Maybe they put the doggone cookies in here when it was hot. I don't know. I just know is suspect. Okay, family, let me get the heck out of here. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, peace.